Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great. Today will be a rather short video, no major action whatsoever, but I was super excited. I got both packages in. If you follow me on Insta, you saw the stories that I posted like a couple of days ago, 3 or 4 days ago. I got this package here, which came all the way from Canada, from Riggs. He had a rotor that would fit the year and the specifications of mine. I haven't opened the package yet. You can see it's all still sealed. I waited until the second package arrives because that would mean we have everything we need for the engine. And this is the second in question that came from all the way on the other side of the world, from New Zealand. It came from the Greenbrothers Racing, which is a New Zealand company doing rotary work. And via my friend Daniel that you saw in the last couple of videos when we were working on the FB. So he reached out to his network, and Marius Weber from Germany, he flagged him on a post from the Greenbrothers Racing where they had 2 pairs of machined down 13B housings that would fit 12A. And I reached out to them, and initially they were all reserved already, so there was no chance I could get a pair. But a couple of days later they came back and said, okay, it's fine, I can have 1 pair. And yeah, that's it. So here is the other package. Arrived this morning, like half an hour ago. And yeah, let's get them unboxed. I'm really excited. Let's do it. So first of all, Rick, he was the one selling it to me. Thanks a lot at this stage for that help. Oh yeah. Look at this beauty. Look at that beautiful rotor. So it's a front naturally aspirated rotor. Exactly the one I need. It has the weight rating of, it's a B rotor. And if you look at the other one, so this is the damaged one, as you can see. Oops. We also have a B weighted one. So 1-to-1, same replacement. Damn, this thing looks beautiful. It's really beautiful. Nice. All right. Let's look at the housings. Oh yeah. Look at this beautiful piece. Damn, it looks clean AF. Look at this. This is amazing. 12A. Hell yeah. Dang. This is so nice. This is so nice. Right. So we have both housings. We have both housings here now. Machined down 13B housings nicely with the 12A mark. So no complaints from anyone there. And we have our two rotors. The left one I still need to clean up a bit more. Right one is from Riggs. This one is the damaged one. So we have both housings with rotors. We have all the stuff over there. So now basically we have everything that we need. We are not, right now at least, not going to assemble it. We likely in 2 weeks time, I need to see how time works out. It's going to be a bit busy, but the plan is that we take the three housings here. So the front plate, mid plate, rear plate. We take them to the workshop of Dale, the New Zealand colleague that was here dismantling the engine with us. And he is going to teach us how to port. So we're gonna do some porting on the intakes. We will not have to port the exhaust ports, simply because, let me take the nicer of the two housings. Because if you compare those two, I'm sure you guys can tell the exhaust port is already a lot larger than on the 12A, because it's a 13B exhaust port, which means we don't have to do any porting. They are as they are bigger from the 13B, so no need to do anything there. But we on the intake side, we still need to do some porting. And after the porting, they will get sanded down, nitrided, and then they are ready for reassembly. So that's going to be the next steps, the plan for the next couple of weeks. I am super excited. You can't imagine how excited I am. I'm really looking forward to this whole build. And yeah, we got one step closer by having all the parts arriving. There is going to be another package early next week that I'm waiting on, which is not directly at least relevant for the engine. It's like all the spark ignition, these kind of things that also my friend needed. So I just ordered everything double. And in case something from our ignition system like the coils or whatever, is broken. We have a replacement already here. We don't need to wait forever for it. So we should be good to go to get this thing back together. We don't need to see where we can place it in the car, because we don't really want to do that again on the ground, like taking out the engine. We need to figure something out there. And yeah, that's going to be it. So you saw beautiful new housings. They arrived, everything. Yeah, speechless. I am speechless. They look awesome. I can't thank the guys from Rigs in Canada and Greenbrothers Racing in New Zealand enough. They were selling me these things. I can't wait. I really can't wait to get this thing together. I'm hyped. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this rather short video this time. Again, I'm super hyped. I can't wait. And I hope you want to come along for this journey. If you want to do so, again, the Instagram where I'm posting here and there some updates, it's down in the description. Otherwise, if you would want to follow, if you want to get notifications, click the alarm bell and subscribe. That would keep me motivated and help me. At least, you know, these little bits of, come on, do something. The pressure to get things done. It's helpful. It's really, really helpful. So yeah, again, thanks a lot everyone for watching. Thanks a lot for being part of this journey. And I hope you have a good one. Take care, everyone. I'm out. Bye-bye.